Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutorial, and in this video today I'll show you how to mirror an image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. First I open a Microsoft Publisher document and now I want to insert an image. So first I go to insert menu or I go to home menu. You can see this is the picture option and you can insert this picture here. Just click pictures and then you can insert the picture in your online store, or you can insert your picture in your desktop or your computer file. Then I go to download options and I download a picture in before. So first I download this picture and then I insert it. I insert this picture and I want to resize this picture, so I resize it in. And now I want to copy this picture, so I click here in Ctrl C and next I click Ctrl V. My image is in copy and I want to mirror this picture, so you can see the arrange group here and I want to mirror this image. So I click this image and then I go to arrange group and I rotate this picture, so I click here in rotate and then I flip it in horizontal, and you look, the picture is in flip in horizontally smoothly and it looks like a mirror image. So viewers, I hope now you can mirror any image in your publisher document. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just likes, comments and share. Thank you.